Our planet faces a challenge as the human population continues to grow at an unprecedented rate. The demand for food is skyrocketing. This surge in population means that our current agricultural practices are under immense pressure to produce more food than ever before. The human population is growing. We need more food. Traditional farming methods, which have sustained us for centuries, are now struggling to keep up with this increasing demand, and the vast expanses of farmland that once seemed endless are now showing signs of strain. Traditional farming methods are struggling to keep up. These methods not only require large amounts of land but also consume significant water resources and often rely on chemical fertilizers and pesticides which can harm the environment. They also put a strain on our environment. But there is hope. The environmental impact of traditional farming is becoming increasingly evident, with soil degradation, water scarcity, and pollution posing serious threats to our planet's health. A new form of agriculture is emerging: vertical farming. This innovative approach to farming offers a promising solution to many of the challenges we face today. Vertical farming is a revolutionary idea. It involves growing crops in vertically stacked layers, often integrated into other structures like skyscrapers, shipping containers, or repurposed warehouses. It's about growing crops in vertical layers. This method maximizes the use of space and allows for year-round production, regardless of weather conditions. Imagine skyscrapers filled with fresh produce. These vertical farms can be built in urban areas, bringing food production closer to where people live. These farms can be built anywhere, even in cities. This not only reduces the need for transportation, but also ensures that fresh, nutritious food is available to urban populations. This brings food production closer to consumers. By reducing the distance food travels from farm to table, we can decrease carbon emissions and provide fresher produce. Vertical farming offers a solution to the limitations of traditional farming. It allows us to grow more food using less space, making it an ideal solution for densely populated areas. It allows us to grow more food using less space. Additionally, vertical farms can be designed to use renewable energy sources, further reducing their environmental footprint. It also reduces the impact on the environment. By utilizing advanced technologies and sustainable practices, vertical farming can help mitigate the negative effects of traditional agriculture. Vertical farming is a game changer for a sustainable future. It represents a new dawn for agriculture, offering a path forward that is both innovative and environmentally friendly. Imagine a high-tech greenhouse, but stacked vertically. That's the essence of a vertical farm. Crops are grown in trays, stacked one above the other. These trays are bathed in artificial light that mimics sunlight. The temperature and humidity are carefully controlled, water is precious, and vertical farms use it wisely. They use hydroponics or aeroponics. In hydroponics, plants grow in nutrient-rich water. In aeroponics, their roots are misted with a nutrient solution. Vertical farms are highly efficient. They can produce crops year-round, regardless of the weather. They are also very clean. Pests and diseases are easier to control in these closed environments. Vertical farming is driven by technology. It wouldn't be possible without recent advancements. LED lighting systems are key. They provide the perfect light spectrum for plant growth. This results in faster growth and higher yields. Automation is another important aspect. Robots and automated systems handle many tasks. They sow seeds, water plants, and even harvest crops. This reduces the need for manual labor. Sensors and data analysis play a crucial role. They monitor everything from temperature to nutrient levels. This allows farmers to optimize growing conditions in real time. Artificial intelligence is also being used to further enhance efficiency. Vertical farming is a friend to the environment. It offers numerous benefits over traditional farming. One of the most significant is water conservation. Vertical farms use up to 90% less water than traditional farms. These farms also minimize waste. Water is recycled and reused. Nutrient solutions are carefully controlled to prevent runoff. This protects our rivers and oceans from pollution. Pesticides are not necessary in the controlled environment of a vertical farm. This means the food is free from harmful chemicals. It also benefits the health of farm workers. Section 5. The economics of vertical farming, a budding market. The vertical farming market is experiencing rapid growth. It's being driven by increasing demand for sustainable food. Consumers are more aware of the environmental impact of their food choices. Vertical farming offers economic advantages as well. It reduces transportation costs. Food is grown closer to where it's consumed. This also means fresher produce for consumers. Governments and investors are recognizing the potential of vertical farming. They are providing funding and support for research and development. This is helping to drive innovation and make vertical farming more accessible. Section 6. Vertical Farming in Action: Success Stories from Around the Globe. Vertical farming is revolutionizing agriculture, offering sustainable solutions to food production challenges. Vertical farms are popping up all over the world, transforming urban spaces into green, productive areas. These innovative farms use advanced technology to grow crops in vertically stacked layers, maximizing space and resources. One example is Plenty, a company based in San Francisco. Plenty's vertical farm is a marvel of modern engineering, utilizing cutting-edge techniques to produce fresh, nutritious food year-round. They operate a large-scale vertical farm that produces a variety of leafy greens and herbs. These crops are grown in a controlled environment, ensuring optimal conditions for growth and minimizing the use of pesticides and water. In Dubai, Emirates Flight Catering has its own vertical farm. This facility is designed to withstand the harsh desert climate, providing a reliable source of fresh produce for the airline industry. It provides fresh produce for meals served on Emirates flights. The farm's output includes a variety of vegetables and herbs, all grown without the need for soil or traditional farming methods. This reduces their reliance on imported food and ensures the highest quality ingredients. By growing food locally, Emirates Flight Catering can offer fresher, more nutritious meals to its passengers. These are just a few examples of the many successful vertical farms around the world. From urban centers to remote locations, vertical farming is proving to be a versatile and effective solution for food production. They demonstrate the viability and potential of this innovative approach to agriculture. As technology continues to advance, vertical farming will likely play an increasingly important role in feeding the world's growing population. Section 7. The future is vertical prospects and challenges. The future of vertical farming is bright. As technology continues to advance, we can expect even greater efficiency and productivity. New crops will be adapted for vertical farming, expanding food choices. However, there are challenges to overcome. The initial cost of building a vertical farm can be high. Energy consumption is another consideration. Research is ongoing to make vertical farming more energy efficient. Despite these challenges, the potential benefits of vertical farming are too great to ignore. It offers a way to feed a growing population while protecting our planet. Section 8. A Sustainable Future: Vertical Farming's Promise. Vertical farming represents a paradigm shift in agriculture. Unlike traditional farming, which relies heavily on vast tracts of land and significant water resources, vertical farming uses stacked layers to grow crops in a controlled environment. This method not only maximizes space, but also significantly reduces water usage, making it an efficient and sustainable alternative. It's a move towards a more sustainable and resilient food system. By integrating renewable energy sources like wind turbines and solar panels, vertical farms can operate with minimal environmental impact. This synergy between agriculture and renewable energy is a crucial step in combating climate change and ensuring food security. By embracing technology and innovation, we can grow food in harmony with nature. Advanced monitoring systems and automation allow for precise control over growing conditions, ensuring optimal plant health and yield. This technological integration not only boosts productivity but also minimizes waste and resource use. Vertical farms can transform urban areas into productive food hubs. Imagine city rooftops and unused spaces converted into lush green farms. This urban agriculture can bring fresh, locally grown produce to city dwellers, reducing the need for long-distance transportation and its associated emissions. They can reduce our reliance on long-distance transportation and its associated emissions. By growing food closer to where it's consumed, vertical farms can help cut down on the carbon footprint of food distribution. This not only benefits the environment, but also ensures fresher produce for consumers. They can also create new jobs and economic opportunities. From farm technicians to market vendors, vertical farming can stimulate local economies and provide employment in urban areas. This new agricultural model can revitalize communities and foster a sense of connection to the food we eat. Vertical farming is not a silver bullet, but it is an important part of the solution to the challenges facing our planet. Education and community engagement are key to its success. By involving schools and local groups, we can raise awareness about sustainable practices and inspire the next generation of farmers and innovators. It's a testament to human ingenuity and our ability to find innovative solutions to complex problems. The continuous development of new technologies and farming techniques demonstrates our commitment to creating a sustainable future. Collaboration between scientists, engineers, and farmers is essential to push the boundaries of what's possible. By embracing vertical farming, we are investing in a healthier and more sustainable future for all. Fresh, nutritious food grown locally can improve public health and reduce environmental impact. As we look to the future, vertical farming stands as a beacon of hope, showing us that with innovation and determination, we can build a better world for generations to come.